Welcome to 1426 Pacific Street in Redlands, California. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor, and I'm going to show you through this house, inside and out. Behind me you can see the front yard has a nice driveway, circular C-shaped driveway with some fruit trees in the front. In the back we have a pool and a huge backyard, and the inside is all totally remodeled. So let's get to taking a look at it. Okay, from the street we can see the house has really nice curb appeal. Looks like these fruit trees are avocados, but I'm not sure. And the neighborhood is nice, quiet, more upscale homes. And let's get on into the inside and take a look. Real quick first, it does have a two-car garage, and it looks like an orange tree and some rose bushes out front. Now let's get into the inside. As I mentioned earlier, the inside is all freshly remodeled. Good sized living area here. Obviously has a nice fireplace. And we have a full bath here. And a very large open kitchen. Plenty of storage cabinets. A huge island. This is bigger than a pool table. And new countertops, new stainless steel appliances. Definitely a really beautiful kitchen. Nice view to the swimming pool out from here. And an additional fireplace in another living area. Obviously another good view to the outside. And let's go down the hall and look at the bedroom areas. So here we have another bathroom. And this is a 3/4 bath. And the bedroom. Second bedroom. And this would be the primary. And this would be the third bathroom. Okay, then stepping out into the backyard. Have a beautiful swimming pool. And then a grass area, and over here there's a pass-through garage, so you can drive through there to get to the backyard, which is surprisingly large. It goes down to this chain link fence, and then it appears to go even beyond that. I believe I looked at the map earlier on this, and it showed that it goes well beyond that second fence in that old red barn or whatever it is there. So very good sized backyard. And if you look up on the roof, you can see the house has air conditioning and solar. And here's a nice little touch here. We've got a refrigerator outside so that when the kids are all wet, they don't have to walk through the house and track a bunch of water in to get a drink. Again, my name's Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. All my information is in the description below.